One item that can make over a boring, text-heavy, sleep-inducing ebook are some topic-related graphics scattered throughout the publication. So if the document that you're editing doesn't have any images or graphical pop to it, then you should make or locate several topic-related images and paste them within the document where they would make the most sense. Now, if that document does have images, you should make sure that they are not way out of date. Hopefully the PLR package you purchased does contain up-to-date info, but it's a good idea to at least try to verify that any images within the ebook are up to date. For example, if the book is on computer tech and it references the brand new computer called Macintosh and the image looks like this, then you might want to scour the web looking for a newer image to replace it with. Likewise, if the document talks about the latest Windows operating system called Windows 98, then that too should be replaced with a more up-to-date image. Now, even if the current images are, as far as you can tell, up to date, then taking a few minutes searching online for replacement images that you can legally use would make your edited ebook or report even more unique than those that still have the original images. And speaking of unique, as I hinted at the beginning of this video, how about instead of using an image that you found online, create one using GIMP, Photoshop, or one of the zillion other image editors out there. So let's go ahead and open up our report in OpenOffice Writer and let's edit some images. Now, if we scroll on down here a ways, we can see there's a few images related to social networking or videos here, this one being Facebook. And I've already checked and all of these do seem to be up to date. And none of these are out of business yet, at least at the time of this recording, but it wouldn't hurt to go ahead and replace these images with other ones that maybe we've created or have found online that we are legally able to use. And there's a couple of ways that we can replace an existing image. One, you can just left click on it and you get this little box that pops up here in the top left corner, and you can just click on the icon to the far left and then select the image that you want to replace the old one with. In this case, I've got this one here for Facebook. Just click on open and there it is. Now, if any adjustments are needed as far as size is concerned, just grab one of these off to the side, left click, hold, and drag it to where you want it. Now, let's try this one here. If we left click on this, again, we have this picture formatting box that pops up, but we can also come on up here to the toolbar at the top of the document and click on insert. Come on down to picture, and in the flyout, click on from file. And the same thing will happen as if it did in the first example. Now, one thing you have to be aware of though, is that if you are adding an image instead of just replacing one, because replacing an image, the new image maintains the same size as the one that's being replaced. But if you're adding a new image, let me show you what I'm talking about, because this exact image here is actually a lot larger than what it's showing here. Let me show you. I've got my cursor just below that. Come on back up here to insert. Come on down to picture, from file, and I'll insert that same exact image. You see how much larger it is. And in this case, what I was wanting you to be aware of is that it can throw the formatting off of the entire document from that point on. So definitely be aware of that. But I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that image. So with it being selected, I can come on up here and do the undo or the shortcut key of Control Z as in zebra, or just hit the delete key. And as always, after any edits have been made, come on up here to File and then click on Save or Save As if you want to change the name of the document. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on editing or replacing the original document images with new ones that you legally can use or ones that you've created yourself. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.